This is going to be an unboxing of an Apple wireless keyboard. This is the refurbished model. I was fortunate to find it. They hardly have it on stock, so. Wow, all that box for this little thing. Okay, so it doesn't come in the same pristine box that you'd probably find at the retail store. It comes in just a regular brown box. It says right there, certified reconditioned product. So let's just open it. Oh, it still has more tape. It's a reconditioned product, refurbished. Looks brand new. Should include the batteries already. Just documentation. What a waste of box. They sent along 3 new Energizer batteries. Oh, bummer. I was hoping finding more Apple stickers. Oh well. So let's take off the wrapper off the keyboard. There's no scratches anywhere. The metal doesn't have any, the back panel, it's shiny plastic. You can see that there's no swirls or anything, as if it looks brand new. So let's put the batteries in. So it should fire right up. Just push the button on this side. So it's on. Okay, so I have the keyboard all set up. You can see it's already powered on. So let me just power on my Mac Mini and see if it will immediately recognize it. It's already picked it up. Okay, so I put in the passcode and should be good to go. It's already working. Eject. Yeah, it's working. Dashboard, expose, brightness is not going to work since this is not a Apple display. Tried to make it look like one. It's a big difference compared to the old keyboard. Their old keyboard, pretty much a standard keyboard, but I never really liked it very much. There's a lot of junk gets stuck inside, and it got really gross. I have to frequently air it out because you can actually see all the junk underneath the keys. But with this, there's not going to be a problem anymore. So, and plus, I'll reduce the cable clutter and I'll earn myself another USB port. You just wouldn't know that this was a used product, refurbished. I mean, it even smells new too. It looks great.